Mr. Jordan Peele.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible mission and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupe Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Share. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. Welcome to the world of no.
Take his advice and get out. Now those are the actual sets from Nope. Those of you who have seen it, you'll probably recognize those. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It's in theaters now, and then you can brag to all your friends that you got to visit the actual sets from the film. I have some more exciting news for all of you. You've all just been cast in our new Fast and the Furious film, Fast 10. You're all playing the roles of tourists on a tram. Here's the story. One amongst you is a witness the international criminal Owen Shaw is hunting down. Don't worry, we're going to keep you safe. My friend Hobbs said we could hide out here in their safe house. But everyone please remain seated at all times and hold on to your personal belongings. We do not want to tip Shaw off to our location. My friends Roman and Letty are going to tell you a little more about what's happening here.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone can give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay.
You heard him. One flash or one ringtone can give us away, so if you're recording or taking any pictures, make sure that flash is turned off. Silence your cell phones. Hang on to those 3D glasses. You don't need them quite yet. I'll let you know when to put those on. Right now, sounds like they're having a party in here, so we're going to try and blend in. Everybody, dance. Dance like your life depends on it.
FBI, don't move.
Neil?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron your shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. I got you. It's like that. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss!
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in another.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Aaron.
It was on vibrate.
Sure traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Alright, sounds like Cheryl was able to trace us after all. So go ahead and put on those 3D glasses now. Sounds like we're in for a bit of a bumpy ride. So once again, hold on to all of your belongings and remain seated at all times. Keep an eye on your kids.